Hey guys, this is a cinder block in-ground pool video update. Not going to show the pool or anything, but I get lots of questions on what the inside of the pool. Is it a liner? Is it plastered? Um, what I do to seal the pool. So, so I'm going to show everything that I did to seal the pool. And I'm going to sure there's going to be a lot of people that says it doesn't work or anything like that. Um, But you can tell me that when I'm floating on my float in the summers, because we've had it for about 5 or 6 years now, and I've never had an issue with it. So I just thought I'd show everybody exactly what I use, the materials that I used to put this coating on the cinder blocks, because that's all it is cinder blocks. Put a coating on the cinder blocks, and what keeps the water in there, keep it from leaking. You get all these products from Lowe's or Home Depot. They're all reasonably priced. So I'm gonna show them to you. Everything that I did to seal my in-ground pool, cinder block pool. Think you'll be surprised. Okay. First one, hydraulic water stop cement. Any place that I thought there was a crack or a hole, um, we just mixed that up and put it on. I sealed it. Anything that I thought, any little indention, you just mix it up in a small bucket, because you can only go about 2 to 3 minutes. I think it stops active water leaks in 3 to 5 minutes. It sets up really quick. And as you can see down there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it says use on swimming pools. That 20-pound bucket was $14. So it's very, very cheap. The next thing was Flex Seal on all the corners and edges and everything over top of the hydraulic cement. Just put a coat of Flex Seal. Now, back when I built this pool, they didn't have it in the spray can, so I used just the gallon can and just painted it on. But they've since got the spray cans, put several coats of that on, and like I said, sealed it up. And the third thing, plain old dry lock, basement waterproofer. That's the extreme. They tint it blue color if you want them to, and like I said, and that's the three things that sealed my swimming pool, and it's been sealed for 5 or 6 years now. I don't really know how long we've had it or anything, but all of it is that you might be able to get it all at Walmart. I don't know, but like Home Depot and Lowe's, they all carry it. That's $12.98 a can, but it goes a long way. The gallon I think was $89. The dry lock for 5 gallons, the extreme, I'm wanting to say it's like $149, and I used 10 gallons on it. I used 1 gallon of the Flex for all the edges and the corners and everything like that, and that's still the same bucket of hydraulic cement that I used back when I did it. I mean, there's a little bit left in there if I've used it on several other little projects and stuff like that, but that bucket did it all. But I'm making this to, I don't know if you build one, I can't guarantee you that it works. It just worked for me. I got a pool quote for $50,000 for this pool, and I've got around 8,100 in it. Saved a lot of money, but the biggest thing I wanted to talk about is we've swam in it for 5. I think this is the 6th season that we're coming up on it, and it was all made with those simple materials: cinder blocks, concrete, and these materials to seal the water, make it waterproof. I mean, and I know people's going to say, oh, that don't work. I'm just telling you how I did it. So try not to listen to the doubters out there. I mean, don't listen to me either. But all I can say is try it. I mean, it worked for me. But just 3 common products saved us about 40 grand. And when I went into this, I always thought, well, we'll try this. If it doesn't work, we can always put a liner in it. But we've never had to. So, but hydraulic water stop cement, and it sets up really quick. I really suggest you get like a Cool Whip bowl or something and mix it in that. Use that and then do it again because it'll set up in a hurry. Flex seal to go over top of that, make a good smooth finish, and then dry lock to cover everything. And like I said, I put 2 or 3 coats on it. I use 10 gallons. That's the extreme. I don't know if it's any better than just the regular dry lock, but that's what I used. As you can see where it's been tinted at and everything. But just thought I'd show exactly what it took to waterproof the swimming pool. You know, hope this helps people out there that's thinking about doing it. It's no secret. I tried it. It worked. I would think it would work for any application. But anyway, y'all have a great day. If you think you learned something here, like, subscribe, comment. I really would appreciate it. But guys, if you're interested in doing an in-ground pool cheaply, I'm telling you, mine has been a game changer for this family. We love it, and we've never had an issue. So anyway, have a good day. Thanks, guys.